Ensuring your pet's safety while flying as cargo.
Hey there, pet lovers! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an important topic: how to ensure your pet's safety when they're flying as cargo. Flying with your pet can be a stressful experience, but with the right preparation and precautions, you can help make the journey as safe and comfortable as possible for your furry friend. So, let's dive right in.
Choosing a pet-friendly airline.
The first step in ensuring your pet's safety while flying as cargo is choosing a reputable and pet-friendly airline. Not all airlines have the same policies and procedures when it comes to transporting pets, so it's essential to do your research. Look for airlines that have a solid track record in pet transportation and check if they have any specific requirements or restrictions.
Consult with your veterinarian.
Before your pet takes to the skies, schedule a visit to the veterinarian. Your vet will examine your pet's health and determine if they are fit to travel. They may also provide you with additional vaccinations or medications that may be necessary depending on your destination. Ensure that your pet is up to date on all vaccinations to prevent any potential health risks.
Purchase an appropriate pet carrier.
Choosing the right pet carrier is crucial for your pet's safety and comfort during the journey. Make sure the carrier is well ventilated, secure, and meets the airline's requirements. Label the carrier with your contact information in case of any mishaps or delays. Familiarize your pet with the carrier by gradually introducing them to it before the flight, making it a comfortable and familiar space for them.
Packing essentials for your pet.
When it comes to packing for your pet, there are a few essentials you shouldn't forget. These include food and water. Pack enough food and water for the duration of the journey, taking into account potential delays. Leash and collar. Keep a leash and collar handy in case you need to handle your pet before or after the flight. Comfort items. Include familiar toys, blankets, or bedding to help your pet feel more at ease. Medical records. Carry a copy of your pet's medical records, including vaccination certificates and any necessary medications.
Monitoring weather conditions.
Be sure to monitor the weather conditions for both your departure and arrival locations. Extreme temperatures can pose a risk to your pet's well-being, so it's important to plan accordingly. Avoid booking flights during periods of excessive heat or cold, as these conditions may not be suitable for your pet's safety.
Communicating with airline staff.
When you arrive at the airport, communicate with the airline staff regarding your pet's well-being. Provide them with any necessary information about your pet's needs, including feeding schedules, medications, and any specific instructions. Stay in contact with the airline during the journey to ensure that everything is going smoothly. And there you have it, folks. By following these measures, you can help ensure your pet's safety while they fly as cargo. Remember to choose a pet-friendly airline, consult with your veterinarian, and provide a secure and comfortable carrier. Pack the essentials, monitor the weather conditions, and communicate with airline staff. With these precautions in place, you'll be well on your way to a safe and worry-free journey for your beloved pet. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy travels.